Hello guys, today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create and customize your store on Shopify for special occasion and events plan and business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna just skip this and let's continue. Choose an account, and now you can wait a few seconds for building this store. So the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store here and click on the themes. So here you can change the themes if you want. Select any theme and customize it on your home page. So select any theme and wait to install the theme. After this, publish it and you can customize it. So I'm gonna just skip this, the down theme by Shopify. Now customize, and it will take you to your homepage store. So here you have this size of your homepage store. You can make it like a desktop style, or like a mobile style, or like a full screen style. So I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop style. So here, this is the settings where you can design your site, your store. So first here we have the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. You can show separator line. Here you can show icons on desktop. Also you can here auto-rotate announcements. Here if you want to enable country and region selector. Also you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next announcements. Here you can change the text. Also here you can pass the link or search for something. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it. You can also change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header. Also you can choose separator line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here you can enable country and region selector. Also you can enable language selector. Here you can change the mobile logo position. You can edit the spacing. You can edit the section padding, the top and the bottom. So here you can manage the same settings. You can enable search suggestions. Here you can edit the card type. Here if you want to add your social media links, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here for links. So that's it. Now let's move on to the logo. So here you have to upload your logo from your library, of course. So just for example, let's search on it on the browser. Special occasion. Logo idea. So for example, I'm gonna choose this just for example. Of course you have to upload it from your library. So this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time. You can edit it at any time you want. Here you can edit the vertical offset, and you can also edit the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the image banner. So here you have two images. So for example, let's search on the first image from the browser, and the second image you can upload it from your library. So for example, um, this. You can add the second image here from your library or from the free image from here. For example, special So that's it. Here you can edit the image overlay opacity, you can edit the banner height. Here you can change the desktop content position, you can show container on desktop. Also here you can change the color scheme, the animations, the image behavior. Here you can turn this on. Stack image on mobile, you can show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the heading of the image banner. So here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. A special occasion, of course you can describe more. This is just for example, and now you can select one of these suggestions. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the buttons of the image banner. So here you can change the first button label, you can change the first button link. Here you can use outline button style. If you already add the second image, you can add the second button label and the second button link, and also you can use outline button style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the feature collection section. Also generate the text and describe special. Let's describe more, for example, and plan and event planning, like this. You can edit here the heading size, also the description, special. Here you can show collection description from the admin, you can change the description style, also you can edit the collection, changes, or create your own collection. Here you can make product full width, you can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. Also you can enable carousel on desktop, you can edit the product card, the image ratio, and the image shape. Here if you want to show second image on hover, you can show vendor, you can show product region. Here if you want to enable quick add button, you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your home page, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here, as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section of the website, the footer section. Here you can change the color scheme, you can show image sign up. Also here you can generate the text on the heading. You can enable follow on shop, you can show social media icons. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, now the next move is save this, and let's get back to the dashboard. You can name your store there. So let's go to the home. After you customize your online store, and after you add the custom domain and add the sharing details, the next step is name your store. So type any name you want. Should be related to the business, special occasion and events planning. Here you can add your store phone, and here you can change your store email or add your email. So that's it. After you're done from this, you can just launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. That's how to customize and create your store on Shopify for special occasion and events planning business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.